Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a breeze effect in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your videos or just photos you like to edit. Alright, for example, I'm going to open my project. So there's a video in here and I'm just going to add effect. Select effect and select video effect, and you can find on training. It says scroll down here's pull breeze, so you can tap on it and tap on it again to adjust for the blur, spin, intensity and filter. Alright, so you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.